Okay then, April 22nd, 2024, just cracking the Mini out of the garage after a 2-month stay, in part because I've just driven another Mini to the Canary Islands, which was great fun. So very much a Mini family. So I'm going to, I thought the best test would be a cold start, especially after 2 months. Obviously the battery's been isolated, it has an isolating switch. We'll see whether any smoke comes out the back, when there's any rattles at the front. I think the first test really is just to say, is there any pools of oil underneath? And there we go. No, there isn't. There you go. That is not a pool of oil, I just might add. Kind of looks like a shadow, but it is not. We'll have a look under the engine as well. Okay, with the cover removed and the bonnet up, we'll take a look at the engine bay. This is a fuel injected model, SPI, single point injection. This is the larger 1275cc engine. I don't know whether it's been overboard or not. It's a strong little thing. As we look underneath the engine bay, there are some new components. This appears to be a Fletcher radiator. We've got brand new alternator, coil, the relay pack there. I know I've just recently added the blanket to go behind the bulkhead. So, looking good. So let's start it up and see how it sounds. Okay, so this is going to be a juggle, because we want to see if there's a cloud of smoke, and have a listen to the engine whilst I'm on my own, turning the engine over. So I'm going to hold the camera towards the rear and we'll turn the engine over. Bear in mind, it's been 2 months. There you go. Didn't require any revs whatsoever. I didn't have my foot on the pedal. There's not even moisture coming out of there. It's a pretty cold day today. That's fantastic. I'm pleased with that. Here's the engine running. One thing, cut myself off there. Right, so one thing I remember, I had a recent major service, just going over a few bits and bobs. It's the tappets have been done. That'll be one of the reasons why it sounds so good. Fletcher radiator, brand new alternator, brand new coil, brand new leads. I've added the blanket across the bulkhead recently. We've got a stock air filter. I can hear an ever so slight buzzing noise. I think it's the, yeah, it's the grill. There you go. But then you've got to bear in mind that it's cold, it's lumpy, and if that's lumpy, you should be over the moon with this video.